Welcome back to 20 Car, the 2026 GMC Savana. 3500 is less a vehicle and more a rolling iron. Cathedral, built not to whisper ambition, but to haul it. Its exterior is unapologetically industrial. Squared shoulders, a bold American grille, heavy-duty steel panels, and lighting designed to cut through dawn fog on endless highways. Inside, utility evolves into intelligence. A redesigned dashboard integrates a wide digital cluster, physical controls sized for gloved hands, advanced fleet telematics, and modern infotainment that feels unexpectedly refined for a workhorse. Power comes from proven V and turbo diesel options, delivering relentless torque rather than theatrics, with a 0-100 km/h time of roughly 9.5 seconds. Slow by sport standards? Quick for something this capable. Rivals like the Ford Transit HD and Ram ProMaster compete on tech, but the Savana wins on durability. Pricing reflects honest value, while long-term ownership benefits from robust parts availability, predictable insurance, and legendary reliability, though fuel consumption remains its Achilles heel. On the road, it feels planted, commanding, and reassuringly solid. If you need strength with soul, step inside America's hardest working promise.